Welcome to Infozilla. Do you want to live a healthier life? If so, one way to go about it is to start eating healthier. Trust us, your heart will thank you for it. The superfoods you are about to see are full of everything you need to improve the well being of your heart. Studies show that you can prevent cardiovascular disease with a good diet, so let us get to it.
Number 1. Orange. Oranges are tasty, thirst-quenching, and delicious. Full of fiber, vitamin C, potassium, nutrients, and pectin, it can do wonders for your heart. On top of that, it will help absorb the cholesterol you eat, lower blood pressure, flush out sodium, and neutralize proteins. Number 2. Kale. Kale belongs to the cabbage family, will do good things to your heart with its nutrients. Kale contains fiber, antioxidants, calcium, vitamin C and K, iron, and a wide range of other nutrients that can help prevent various health problems. We promise you that it is worth trying it. The leafy green comes with omega-3 fatty acids and good calories, so you can add it to your meal as much as you want. Number 3. Garlic. Garlic is a superfood that will do amazing things for your heart. Can be used in many recipes, which is a good thing since it lowers blood pressure and brings down arterial plaque. It also lowers blood vessel constricting enzymes. You can take it in pill form if you want, to reap the benefits without the taste. Number 4. Red wine. The polyphenols in red wine, especially resveratrol, can protect the linings of the blood vessels in your heart. Resveratrol has been found to reduce blood clots. According to the American Diabetes Association, drinking red wine or any alcoholic beverage can lower blood sugar for up to 24 hours. Number 5. Chocolate. Chocolate is always a good idea. The sweet treat will lower your risk for heart disease and stroke. It can also improve hypertension and blood pressure. Dark chocolate comes with flavonoids, which is good for improving blood vessel flexibility and getting rid of heart-related diseases. Number 6. Sardines. Sardines come with lots of heart-boosting nutrients. The cold fish is full of omega-3 fatty acids, which can lower the harmful triglyceride levels, decrease inflammation, increase HDL and good cholesterol, and prevent heart disease. Number 7. Lentils. Lentils are awesome. Eating a diet rich in legumes will help bring down your risk for heart disease or stroke. Lentils make for a great source of potassium, magnesium, and protein. This means that you can expect to see lower blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and risk for plaque formation. Number 8. Almonds. Almonds taste wonderful. Studies show that it can help improve intelligence and memory as well as lower risk for diabetes and heart disease. Regularly eating a handful of almonds can bring down cholesterol. It will also help absorb harmful LDL and lower risk for cardiovascular disease. Number 9. Turmeric. You should know that turmeric is the secret to a great curry. It has curcumin, an active compound that blocks cardiac hypertrophy or heart enlargement. It also prevents dysfunctional blood vessels, obesity, high blood pressure, and heart disease. Turmeric milk is a popular home remedy to treat small to major health conditions. Antimicrobial properties of turmeric can effectively treat various respiratory problems like asthma, bronchitis, lung congestion, and sinus. Number 10. Chickpeas. Chickpeas contain a range of nutrients and vitamins like vitamin B6 and C, including protein, which is necessary for bone, muscle, and skin health. For people who are cutting down on meat consumption, a dish of chickpeas can contribute a significant amount of protein to the diet. The fiber, potassium, B vitamins, iron, magnesium, and selenium in chickpeas all support heart health. Number 11. Eggplant. Eggplants are amazing no matter how you choose to cook them. Eggplants are full of flavonoids, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. They will also improve circulation, lower cholesterol, prevent blood clots, and reduce the risk for heart disease. They are also good for the brain and cell health. Number 12. Flax seeds. For centuries, flax seeds have been prized for their health protective properties. In fact, Charles the Great ordered his subjects to eat flax seeds for their health. Nowadays, flax seeds are emerging as a superfood as more scientific research points to their health benefits. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acid. If you do not like nuts and fish, this is one way to get a load of the essential fatty acid. A tablespoon of it will offer you a lot of nutrition, antioxidants, and estrogen.
Please like and share our videos. Subscribe our channel and encourage us. Thank you.